Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Today I'm going to show you how to create simple CAD model in SolidWorks. It is for level 1 exercise 7. So this is a 3D CAD model and a 2D drawing. So this is the pictorial view. So let's start. See, I'm going to start with this boss. So its outer diameter is 45 and 60 and depth is 18. So 18 plus 12 it is 30. So let's start. So I'm taking new file. So for view orientation I'm selecting right plane. Go to sketch. This is 45. Inside diameter is 24. So depth is 30. Save the file. So for better visibility I am changing the color. Now select right plane once again. So I'm going to create this base. So this is 24 and 90. Select right plane, go to sketch, keep it normal. Create one horizontal line. Select this, right click and select midpoint. Press Ctrl and keep it vertical. Line is at the center. Now take one more line. And other line. Now this is 90. And this is 24. Say OK. Now this center to this line is 60. Say OK. Now take one line and join. Convert entity. Now make it tangent. Select this line, Control, make it tangent. Now go to trim option. These two lines should be equal. So this sketch is fully defined now. Go to feature, extrude, and it is 12 mm depth. thickness. So now I'm going to create this rear feature. It is 5 mm by 30. So select this face and go to sketch, keep it normal, convert entity, draw 2 lines, and draw one center line. Select all the 3 lines and make it symmetric. Now select this arc and convert entity and trim these 2 lines. Now give this distance. So these lines are within this arc, so I can trim it. Go to power trim and just remove this. So this feature is ready, but I have to create hole also. So select this line, convert entity, and go to extrude boss, and thickness is 5. So this feature is created. Now we have to create this Riff feature. So select front plane, sketch, keep it normal, and keep it in wireframe. So this is the thickness. So give some offset 5 mm approximately. Select this edge, convert entity, and select this edge, convert entity, and take one line and join this. And go to corner trim. Say OK. See, this is not connected. Simply I can drag and move to this point. So go to extrude. It is 8 mm. Keep it blind, mid plane, to make it symmetric. Say OK. See here, I have given this 5 mm distance because this sketch is exactly meeting at tangent surface, so it forms 0 thickness. To avoid that error, we have to give some thickness. So this feature is done now. Next we have to create holes. Go to sketch, keep it normal, draw one circle, Say okay. Now I can draw one more line. Say okay. Now give the dimension. So this is 18. And this is 18. Go to mirror entities, select the entity, mirror about the center line, say okay. So two holes are. So go to cut and give up to next. So this component is ready. So I have to apply the fillets also. Fillet is 10R. See, in modeling technique, first we need try to add up all material, adding like boss extrude features, then cutouts or any kind of holes, then fillets and chamfers. This is the best procedure. So our model is ready now. Now I am going to start the drawing. So for better visibility, I am keeping 1:1. So this is 1:1. So I can keep it in shaded view. Now save the file. Go to annotation, center mark. So I have to place one more view. Now this whole distance, the distance between this vertex and edge is 24. This is 18. This is 18. So since we have two holes, we have to type 2 into x. And we have to show the radius. Either we can type typical or 2 into x. This diameter is 24. See here it is showing radius, so right click, displays diameter, and flip the arrow. Here also, whenever we show the diameter, we have to show arrows both the direction. So thickness is 12. Is 5, and the overall distance is 90. And this is 60. And this is 35. Let's check any dimensions are missing. The thickness of the rib. And 30. This is 30. So we have covered all the dimensions. So that's how we have to create 2D drawing. Thank you.